Hi, I'm Shorty and welcome to my YouTube channel, Shorty Skate Series. Today I'm going to show you how to install your Bont blocks in the Tracer or Prodigy plate. So these plates have the same design except for one's made of 6061 aircraft aluminium and the other one is made from a composite of nylon and fiberglass. So it's basically metal, plastic, metal, plastic. I do recommend using a metal plate for park skating because it's more robust, it will take more impacts and it will last longer. I do skate on the Prodigy plate at the moment because I wanted to test it out for park skating and it's a lot lighter than the Tracer plate, so I just wanted to see how it felt to skate with a lighter setup. But I do prefer skating on a metal plate because it's just a little bit more responsive. So for this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to install your Bont block on the Tracer plate. I'll also show you how to install your Discotrux with your Bont block on the Tracer plate in case you have Discotrux like me. So one thing to note about the Discotrux, it's not actually a grind truck, but it's a wide truck designed for extra stability when roller skating. So when you assemble the Tracer plate, the slide block and the Discotrux, you'll actually be grinding on top of the block as opposed to the trucks. Bont is looking to design some grind trucks that will be compatible with the Tracer plate and the Prodigy plate with the block. So you'll be able to combine them all for one smooth sliding and grinding setup. But in the meantime, if you have any questions about how to install your block on your Tracer or Prodigy plate with or without the Discotrux, please comment below and I'll try and get back to you as soon as I can.